What is going on, everybody? Noble here with you guys again, and again in today's video we're going to be changing our name. Now this was actually asked for specifically, so let's not waste any time and jump right into it. In today's video we're going to show you guys how to change your username over on Discord. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is obviously make sure that your Discord is opened up and that you're signed in. And here under your direct messages and friends and stuff, you've got your profile down at the very bottom. We can go ahead and click on user settings. And then this is the first thing that's going to pop up. Now, this is actually a really good thing. I highly recommend that everyone uses streamer mode if you stream or if you make tutorials the way I do online. So the cool thing about streamer mode is that it blocks all of your personal information. You don't want to be streaming and accidentally pull up your Discord app and accidentally give away your email or your personal information for your credit card or anything like that. So streamer mode is highly recommended to be on at all times. But obviously for this case video, I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. So we're going to go ahead and click on it, and that's going to bring you to the streamer mode area down here, and we're going to shut it off just for the purposes of this video. Alright, so once that's done, we're going to go ahead and come back up to my account, and obviously I've got my personal information blocked off, but you guys can see the username is right here, and that's what we're going to be changing. So go ahead and click on edit, and again, all of my personal information I am blocking out myself, but this is where you would go ahead and change your username. So as you guys probably know, I've been changing everything that I own to NobleArcade, and then you can also change your tag, but you do have to pay for Nitro for that. You guys can see right here, if you want to customize your tag, you need to get Nitro. So I'm actually not going to worry about that. I'm just worried about the username that people see. So everything here is fine, and then you're going to go ahead and have to put in your password. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in, and then we're going to click on save, and we'll come back right after that. Alright, so we've put in our password and we're going to go ahead and click on save. And it's as simple as that, guys. We've got our brand new username right here. We weren't able to change the tag. Again, if you do want to change your tag, you can go ahead and do that, but you do have to pay for Nitro. Personally, I don't really care about the tag. I just want to make sure that people see my name the way it's displayed everywhere else that I'm at. So if you guys found this video useful, helpful in any way, please let me know in the comments down below. And as always, guys, we will see you on the next video.